Have you ever wanted to make passive income but you felt like you didn't have the money to get started? Hello and welcome back to Only Pay. We'll be discussing about passive income ideas with less money. Be sure to watch to all the way to the end. If you are new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button below from our life-changing content. Number 1. Leverage high-interest bank accounts. If you have money laying around in the bank and have never really thought twice about it, then more likely you were not maximizing the returns on these funds. While using bank accounts to make passive income won't make you rich overnight, sorry about that. Moving your money into higher yield accounts can help your money grow at faster rate than you're normally been experiencing. And you know what the best part of is? Most banks don't require a minimum balance, meaning that even if you don't have much money to your name, you can start gain a little bit of extra interest on the money you do have. You see, as a 2019, the average saving interest rate was merely 0.09%. Well, what a lot of people don't know is that there are a number of better options available. For instance, if you are looking for a low risk interest rate, earning cash account Only Pay currently offers 2.4% APY, which is more than 27 times the average, and this account is free. Free meaning that the difference in interest you earn is yours to keep. You are probably thinking how much a difference will make on a yearly basis. Well, if you had $500 in a standard of saving account earning just 0.09% annually, you would earn just 4% a year, merely 4 cents. However, in the high interest bank account, earning at 2.4% annually would leave you with $12. Voila. Well, admit this, nothing to get too excited about it. Takes next to no effort and will pay only compounds and contribute more into the account idea. Number 2. Start a blog. If you are a good writer or even a mediocre one, starting a blog can be an excellent way to make passive income, while starting a blog does a good amount of work upfront. Once you have content online, it starts to gain traction within the Google search engine. You'll be making money whether you continue to publish or not. So, you may be wondering, how does the blog even make money? Well, let me explain you. Your blog gets views. Traffic readers will interact with your site. This can be following your affiliate link and buying products you recommend, purchasing courses you build, or just helping you make money using Google AdSense. One thing to note about this method of making passive income is that takes quite a bit of effort, especially in the beginning. This is because in order to gain tractions on your site, you will need to research, write, and market your content. But like I said, after the content is live, it will make you money after a month. And one of the big upside of starting a blog is low startup cost. All you really need is domain and web hosting, which can be affordable. It is like GoDaddy offers domain for little $2.99 for first year, and it's less than $30 for 2 years, which is plenty of time for your site to start making a passive income. When it comes to web hosting, this is also relatively inexpensive. You can get web hosting from HostGator for less than $4 a month, which is actually under $50 a year. Maybe that starting a massive passive income could be yours for roughly $50 annually idea. Number 3. Sell an ebook. If you like the idea of writing but don't want to deal with technical headache they can come with blogging, consider self-publishing your own ebook. Ebooks are more often sorted in normal books, which puts less of burden on you to produce a masterpiece. What's even better is how cost-effective this method of making passive income can be. If you have a computer, then you are in a good position, as all you need to publish your ebook in your Word document containing your text and cover image. Now you can insource all of the writing, editing and graphics yourself, but if you want to spruce up your booking, getting professional help can be very affordable. For instance, You can get professional book cover fiber just for $5, and proofreading can also be contracted out for cheap, meaning that around $50. You can build an asset that can make you money in perpetuity. So let's say you want to try this ebook business. Well, Amazon kindly direct publishing is probably the easiest platform to get started on. Publishing takes just few minutes, and most ebooks appear in Kindle store worldwide within 1 or 2 days with Amazon KDP. You can earn up to 70% royalties on each sales to customers in most countries. And you could say your own prices and make changes to your books at any time. Idea number of us sell and online courses. In the 21st century, information is most valuable asset, and one of the best ways to take advantages of information age is through the sale of digital products like online courses. Now you may thinking that I have no idea what I could create course about, and I don't worry, that's normal. The good news is that there is market for just about any information product online, from courses on the web developing to productivity and even journaling. Chances are like skilled in multiple areas, of which at least one of them can be used to create a value-packed course. What's better is that the cost of creating online course is quite low. Most courses consist of either audio in the slideshow or video of the course. Creator, which can be manufactured using your smartphone, meaning that you really don't have to invest any money to start leveraging this passive income method. Additionally, selling your courses can be cost effective too, as multiple platforms exist where you can host your course for free and receive a percentage of the profit when you make sales. For instance, if you host your course on Udemy, any sales you make using the site organic traffic will have you receiving 50% of the course cost. And if you can generate your own sales, you will net 97% of your purchase price. Therefore, with your current knowledge and the computer and smartphone, you could make massive income in no time idea. Number 5. Start an ad agency. Think about how many small businesses are in the city. Chances are more often them are not effectively using social media to attract more clients or drive more sales to their businesses. Most will have regular Facebook page, but there's not enough to spread the word in today's crowded news feed. That's where you can come in as Facebook ad agency owner. One of the best parts about this business model is that once you have a client advertising campaign set up and running smoothly, there is very little ongoing work needed to your ad. Outside of checking in for a few minutes each day, it is relatively hands-off business methods, so I'm still considering it to be quite passive. After everything is initially set up, you can be an agency of one person, or you can choose and expand as they start to serve more clients even with very little experience. Learning the art and skill of Facebook ads is double and can be variant. There were numerous beginners and intermediate level tutorials on YouTube, and even on sites like U2Me, you can find Facebook marketing courses for little as $15. You see, offering services like Facebook marketing is beneficial because you are trading experience of dollars, which typically involves less capital upfront than opening up a brick and mortar store or creating a physical product. So how much can Facebook agency earn you? It is quite common for Facebook specialists to charge anywhere from few hundred to few $1,000s a month per client, which is why it is one of the favorite passive income ideas. Number 6. Created an online store. With the explosion of e-commerce comes the opportunity to create a passive income stream used in an online store. In particular, dropshipping has become very popular, and you are unfamiliar with it. Here's how it works, and you create an online store that offers products from certain manufacturers. A person visits your site and orders a product, and then your system sends the order to a specific manufacturer. The manufacturer then completes the order. by shipping it directly to the customer, at which point you collect the profits. One of the cool thing about this type of business is that you do not need to order inventory, meaning a much lower initial cost, making it perfect if you have initial little money to start. Moreover, setting up a shop can be inexpensive as well. Many dropshippers set up their stores in Shopify, which charges just $30 a month, which is much cheaper than $1,000. Who would cost to open up a brick mortar shop in your city? In short, once you have your store set up, the rest can be completely automated, meaning that you will be earning income no matter what you're doing. Number 7. Start a YouTube channel. Every day, regular people like you and me are making money on YouTube. Well, you may use YouTube to pass the time or learn something new. For many people, YouTube is how they earn their living and much of their income in a passive form. You see, every time someone watches one of your videos, ads you can appear and you can make money from those ads. Alternatively, your viewers can also buy your course of affiliate product, making your money without any extra effort on your end. After the video is released, now the reality is that running YouTube channel is anything but pursuing in nature as built. Audience takes consistent work and video output, but once video is released, it acts like digital asset, occurring you add revenue and hopefully sales over time. But let's say you just replied upon the ad revenue to generate passive income. What could your earning stream look like? To take look channel far as average, this channel gets over 3 million views every month, earning the owner over $10,000 in ad revenue alone. Now, of course, this is a large channel and getting to this point will take time, but even with smaller channel making a few $100 a month possibly is quite double. What's better than that? Starting a YouTube channel doesn't have to be expensive. Most YouTubers like Mr. Beast, the YouTube sensation over 20 million subscribers, started their channel using just over iPhone. Therefore, creating your own channel and making positive it come through. This means really shouldn't cost you anything, and there you have 7 passive income ideas. You can start with little money which allow you to make money while you're sleeping. We'll be discussing individually each topic upcoming days. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Be sure to turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one. If you enjoyed this video, please give us your thoughts in the comment below and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.